everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge Hub. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start discussing about unit 1, which is your introduction to web technology. That even though we had started in the last classes of the session as well, where we had discussed still advantages of packet switching and network. That is the next topic we have done. So today we're going to start discussing the another topic, which is your protocol governing web. So in protocol governing web, that what we have to discuss to here one by one with respect towards it. Here we have internet application protocol that we discuss about here. So once we draw with the same, so here we have first this is TCP UDP. This is connected to IP, and then that is also connected to this is just write it down here itself. FTP, file transfer protocol. HTTP, telnet. POP3, SNMP, and SMTM. TCP UDP, that is connected to IP, and that is also connected to Ethernet. Alternate and token array. This is a particular diagram of internet application protocol. This is the protocol governing web, which is converted into, and here that the OSI and ISO model of computer network consists of 7 layers, and at layer 1 and more protocol are used to handle the transmission of data. The layers and associated protocols are to be shown that we will be going to draw here. So first of all, we'll go for the one by one. So here we go, and that is very important because that has been asked in many of the examination paper as well. So let's go and figure it out with the same. So here we go. The first we draw with the same. First is the layer. We have, then you can just draw this because this is also important one. Then we have the name. Then we have protocol that is being used. First layer we have is 7 layer. As I told you, 7 layer structure that we have. So the layer is application. In application layer, the protocol is used is SSH, FTP, that is file transfer protocol, and telnet. This is used in 7 layer. by one we'll discuss about it. So first we have here the another one, the sixth layer, which is the layer we have is your presentation layer. The protocol is used as HTTP, SNMP, SMTP and POP3. आई नो कि ये लेयर प्रोटोकॉल्स जो हैं वो आपको भी नहीं पता होंगे, सो नो प्रॉब्लम। पहले हम ये लेयर का स्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीट करते हैं, फिर हम वन बाय वन सारे के सारे जो भी हैं वो सारे प्रोटोकॉल्स डिस्कस करेंगे वन बाय वन, सो दैट इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. This is the structure that is this is the protocol that is being used by the layer. So the seventh layer is application layer. Then we'll discuss about the fifth layer is your session layer, and here it is used RPC, named pipes, net BIOS. Next is the fourth one, which is transport layer. In that is TCP, UDP, and another is third one. This is network layer, and here it is uses IP. Second is data link. Is used as Ethernet. Another is physical, and the protocol used is Cat5. So just we go for one, then we will introduce with these protocols in a detail, so that it will be helpful for you all. So here within 7 layer, the layer is your application layer. Protocol is used SSH, FTP, Telnet. This in 6th layer, this is the name of the layer is presentation, and the protocol is used HTTP, SNMP and SMTP, and POP3 is used. The 5th layer is where the name is session. Protocol is used as RPC, named pipes and net BIOS. The 4th layer is your transport, where the protocol is used as TCP and UDP. 3rd is your network, which your protocol is used IP. 2nd is data link, protocol is used Ethernet. The layer 1st is your physical, where the Cat5 is used. Now we discuss about file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol. Here the file transfer protocol set up the rules for transferring the files between computer when user wants to download a file from the server and the FTP protocol is used. There are various issues that must be solved during such file transfer. These issues can be described as: client must have an authority to download the particular file, the hardware and software on the both computer might be different, and of course in the same way the data interpretations and data formats on client and server that might be different here. So with the FTP provides some mechanism to handle these issues internally, and the user remains free from all the complications. FTP uses two connections between the client and server. One connection is for the actual data and the other is used for to control information used for command, and this separations of data commands make FTP more efficient. That I will write it down for some of the things to you, so that it will be helpful for you as well. So let's go for it. For FTP, the file transfer protocol sets up the rules for transferring files between computers. FTP provides the mechanism to handle these issues internally, and the user remain free from all these complications. Where next point you can write it down for FTP is FTP uses two connections between client and server. One connection is used for actual data transfer, and other is used for control information. Used for command. This separation of data. And commands make FTP more efficient. So let's go for the same. We'll be going to draw the two connections used in FTP processing that we have as follows. So we go for the same. So first we have GUI. In GUI we have control process, and data transfer process, and here control process and data transfer process. This is for server, this is client. So here control process connect control for the server as well as the client. This is control connection. And this is data transfer connection. Okay, so this is two connection used in FTP process. Okay, now we go for here. In the same way, when client makes a request for particular file download, then the data transfer connection, actual data gets transmitted from server to client. At the same time, the server keeps track of how much data is sent so far and how much is remaining. This tracking can be done using the control transfer connection, and hence during the file downloading or uploading, we can see the message about how many bytes are getting transferred or how much time is remaining. The various commands used in FTP are that we discuss about the command with their meaning of the command as well. Then after that we will discuss the next protocol in the next coming class. So this is the FTP that we done, of course, for sure here. So we have your command and the meaning. The first command we have is your user pass quit cwd del then we have list rt or stor a double ce and help. Okay, so we discuss one by one in a detail about it, what that stands for. User, that meaning of the command is it identifies the user. Pass is your password. Quit means for logging off. cwd is changed to another directory. Delete a file. Display the contents of the directory. List is Next is RTR, that is retrieve files from server to client. From server to client. STOR is store file from client to server. Client to server. App is your appending the existing file. Help is asking for the help. Okay, so this is all about FTP. We'll discuss the rest in the next time in class. So thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.